What's up? This is Panshul and welcome into the 6th video of the tutorial series where I teach you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. This video requires you to be confident with the second layer. So if you don't know how to solve it or are not confident with it, then please go check out my previous video. I will link it here. So let's begin. Guys, the 5th step in solving the Rubik's Cube is creating the yellow cross. You need to learn 2 algorithms to solve the yellow cross and I am going to teach them to you in this video. Guys, the first algorithm is F R U R prime U prime F prime, which is used in this case. This is known as the bar case where 2 of the edges are oriented. There are many different kinds of bar cases and in some the corners are also correctly oriented, but you need to ignore all the other pieces. Just concentrate on the bar. So this is the bar case, and to solve this you hold the bar in the horizontal position and do F R U R prime U prime F prime. This solves the yellow cross. Guys, this is another bar case, but as you can see all these corners are oriented. So we'll just ignore them and we'll put the bar in the horizontal position and do F R U R prime U prime F prime, and this solves the yellow cross. Just ignore the corners in this step. It is not relevant. So guys, now the second case, it is known as the hook case. It looks something like this, and to solve the hook case you need to do F wide R U R prime U prime F wide prime. Now you might be asking, what is F wide? It is nothing but moving these 2 layers together like this. So you need to hold the hook like this and then do F wide R U R prime U prime F wide prime, and this gets solved. In this case also the corners are irrelevant, ignore them. The last case is known as the dot case, where only the yellow center is oriented correctly and none of the 4 edges are there. So it does not form the hook or the bar. So in this case also we'll ignore the corners, they are irrelevant. So we will do F R U R prime U prime F prime, the bar case algorithm first, and then we get the hook case. So we do F wide R U R prime U prime F wide prime. This solves the yellow cross. Guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that notifications bell. Also share my video with your friends and family. And don't forget to practice the yellow cross 10 to 20 times or until you get confident with it. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.